We're over here today in Full Circle Farms in Victor, Idaho. For our first dish here, we're actually going to do a couple different dishes with smoked trout. And with the bottom of these bok choys here, we're going to cut them just about like that. And then we're going to make little edible soup spoons out of this. You take them down like this and just kind of turn the ends and just trim them up a little bit, you know, like that. And then I like to take the bottom and just kind of slice the bottom so they can sit like so. All right, so now finishing up our last little spoon here, we're gonna move into trout salad. We're gonna start out with our lavage here. We're gonna do a little bit of the leaf and then a little bit of the stem. I'm gonna kind of pick and choose here. I'm gonna take the centerpiece of the stem. I'm gonna just kind of julienne that really nice like that. Little tiny dice of the lavage stem, and that goes in the bowl here. And then we're gonna take the leaves and do the same. Just kind of fold them over like that. Parsley, celery flavor. It's a beautiful, beautiful herb. Fresh dill here, which is a classic pairing. And that'll be coming down the line in our CSAs soon. And now we're gonna do some cornichons, just little French pickles, really thin. So in go the cornichons. And you know those little cute onions that come with the cornichons. I like to take those guys and add them to the party as well. Now we're gonna add a little lemon zest to this dish. Not much, just a little taste. And that's gonna go really nice with that lavage too. So now we're gonna take our trout, pull it off the grill. It's nice, oh, it's nice and warm. It's starting to fall apart just a little bit. We're just gonna take it with our fingers and just kind of flake it in there. You know, you want kind of nice chunks in there. So now we get a little acidity from a lemon in there as well. Squeeze that right over the top. Tiny bit of pepper. So now we're gonna go in with the goods. We have whole grain mustard. We're just gonna do a teaspoon, literally, not much at all. We're also really nice pairing with fish, especially smoked fish, is freshly grated horseradish. So we're just gonna do a little knob of that, just like so. And then for the real stuff, creme fraiche, 2 tablespoons in there. So now we're gonna mix this dish up here and get ready to stuff our bok choy leaves. And right on there, you see how pretty that is? They're like meant to be. Look at that. Just gonna do a little julienne of radish on there. You can see that, it's all pretty little matchsticks. Just gonna finish with just a touch of olive oil just to kind of richen it up a little bit. And then for a little crunch and a little extra flavor, we'll finish it with some sea salt. And there's our first dish, smoked trout salad, lavage, some radishes. Beautiful, and some bok choy, edible Chinese soup spoons.